Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up and taking down the senior tent. We recommend doing this with 3 to 4 people. With these instructions, your tent will be sturdy, tight, and ready for all weather conditions. Let's get started. The senior tent comes in 3 carry bags, one with the canvas and guy lines, one with poles and connectors, one with the ground sheet, pegs, and base poles. We'll start with the frame. Sort all parts and group the poles and connectors by type and length. Lay out the connectors in the right positions. Triangle connectors go on the outer corners. Diamond-shaped ones connect the inner frame. Use the long poles for the length of the roof and the short poles for the width. Once everything's in place, begin connecting the poles and connectors. This step works best with 2 or 3 people. Roof frame is now assembled. Insert the base poles on one side of the frame and connect them to the roof. This will support one side of the tent. Lay out the other base poles ready on the opposite side. Take the canvas out of the bag and unroll it alongside the frame. This makes it easy to pull over the long side. The inside of the canvas should face down. You can recognize the outer side by the window flaps. Pull the canvas over the roof frame, starting at the lower end. Make sure it's evenly and tightly spread. Lift the lower side of the tent. Install the remaining base poles and connect them to the frame. The tent is now fully upright. Attach the canvas to the frame using the Velcro straps, both at the top and bottom. Secure the black loops of the mud flap to the feet of the base poles. Clip the guy lines to the metal springs on the canvas using the double carabiners. Tension the lines and secure them with T-pegs at a suitable distance. Use ring pegs to anchor the mud flap all around the base. Then attach the elastic cords in the same way. The senior tent features multiple mesh windows for ventilation. Open the door using the zipper. Roll it up and fasten it with the loops on the tent. Roll out the ground sheet inside the tent. Attach it to the walls using the buckles provided. Your tent is fully set up. Start by unbuckling the ground sheet. Remove the ground sheet and fold it neatly. Loosen the guy lines and unclip the double carabiners from the metal springs. Remove all the ring pegs from the mud flap and unhook the elastic cords. Undo all Velcro straps that are attached to the frame. Remove the base poles on one side of the tent. Let the roof frame slowly lower to the ground. Pull the canvas off the frame from the low end to the high end. Dismantle the roof frame. Remove the poles from the triangle and diamond connectors. Sort the poles by length and set them aside. Pack the poles and connectors separately into the correct bags. Roll up the canvas neatly and place it in the carry bag. Tip: use the bag to check the correct width while folding. Your senior tent is packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!